Welcome to Ownprint. In this video, we'll talk about buyer personalization on Etsy and how to collect exactly the details you need from each customer so our team can produce their piece exactly as they imagined it. Personalization is the heart of what we do. It's what turns a beautiful piece of jewelry into something deeply personal, made just for one person. A name, a date, a set of initials, or even a photo. These are the details that make a customer say, "This was made for me." So let's set it up. When you reach the personalization step, you can add up to 5 fields. Each field is one detail you collect from the buyer. And you have 3 types to choose from. The first is a text box. This is for written details, like a name, a date, initials, or a short quote. For example, you might create a field called front engraving text. You can write clear instructions telling the buyer exactly what to type. And you can set a character limit, so the text always fits perfectly on your design. The second type is a list of options. This gives the buyer a drop-down to choose from. It's perfect for things like font styles or design variations. So instead of leaving it to chance, you offer a few beautiful choices, and the buyer simply picks one. And the third type is a file upload. This lets the buyer send you a photo or an image. Perfect for designs that use a pet photo, a portrait, or a logo. Now, here's an important rule of thumb. Every listing should collect at least 2 details. Here's why. As you know, all our products can be engraved on the front and the back. The front is where your design lives, and it often includes details your buyer provides, like a name or a date. So you'd create one field to collect that, for example, the name or initials, date, or whatever your design requires for it to be personalized. To give you an example, let's take a look at the anniversary design on the screen. It can be personalized with initials and a date. For this, I can either create one field to collect them both, like initials and date, or a field for each. The back engraving is optional, but many buyers love to add a custom message there to make the gift even more personal. So you'd create a second text field to collect the back engraving details. And here's a little tip. Because the back engraving is an extra, it's also a great chance to charge a little more for it. Many sellers charge around 8 to 10 euros or US dollars for this option. But we'll talk much more about smart pricing in the next video. From here, it all depends on your design. The more your product can be personalized, the more fields you'll add, always matching exactly what your design needs. And here's the beautiful part. Once your buyer fills these in, their details arrive automatically with the order, clear and organized. And from there, you don't have to prepare a thing. As soon as the order syncs with the correct details, our team takes care of everything, preparing the personalization and getting the design ready for engraving. So you can focus on creating and selling while we handle the rest and bring each piece to life exactly as your customer imagined.